Today we are going to be doing Valentine's Day nails. So we put out the poll on Facebook and Instagram. This is what you voted for. I tried to get full on into Valentine's Day spirit. I'm wearing the pink. I got my red Valentine's Day coffee cup. And yes, there's coffee in it because it's been a long day. So let's get started, guys. We're going to start with our index finger. So I'm just going to be using red and black acrylic paint over the pink gel polish that I have. I'll post the brands of the paint down below in the description. So we're going to start with red. And we're going to, this whole finger is going to be a bunch of hearts. So we're just going to make one red heart first. Fill it in. Okay, so there's our little red heart. Next, we're going to go in with black. So we're going to do a heart this way. Little upside down heart next to it. We're going to do one here. On the end. And let's do one up here. Let's just do the bottom of one up here. Just to kind of fill in that gap up there. And then we're going to turn over here. Okay, so we have our index finger. I just wanted one red heart. All right, so we're gonna move on to our middle finger. So this one we're gonna start with the black, and we're gonna be putting the letters to spell love, but we're gonna kind of do it a little bit uniquely. So start up at the top. Angle it down. This is obviously our L. Okay, so you kind of come down at an angle and then angle it back up. Now we're going to switch to our red. So we're gonna make the O right next to it, and we're gonna make that in red. Don't worry if you get it on your skin, you can always go back in and clean up later. Okay, so LO. Go back into your black. We're going to do the V. So the V is going to come right off the bottom of the L. All the way down. Just like that. And then we're going to make our E. So we want our E to actually come down just a little bit off of the V so they don't look like they're one letter. These don't have to be perfect, they're kind of funky letters anyway, so do something like that. Okay, so we went back into our black and we're gonna make a little tic-tac-toe pattern on our ring finger, and we're gonna fill it in with X's, and then hearts are gonna be the O's. So we're just gonna make a little board here. Okay, so you just want a little cross pattern, and then we're gonna go back in. I'm gonna go in with the red first before I fill in my little X's. I'm just gonna make little hearts in here. So, one up here in the corner, and then down here in this corner. Like that. So we have our 3 little hearts. Now we're going to go in and fill the rest of the squares with little X's. Just like that. Here is not to have too much paint on your brush because it's going to make it really difficult to make those tiny little X's. So just have just a little bit, let's see if I can get this to focus, just a little bit on your brush. All right, so just to check in, this is what we have so far. So our pinky finger I'm going to keep pretty simple. We're just going to make a couple lines and then a little heart. So we're just going to make, see if I can get the right angle here. One. One line like that. Down here, not too far away from that corner, we're just going to make one little swoop. Okay, so now we just have a little cross here. Then we're just going to put a little heart right on top of this, where the X's cross here. So just a little heart. Just like so. And then we're just going to add maybe a couple little dots just for fun. All right, so here is the finished design. So you could definitely do this over a brighter pink polish if you wanted. I stuck with a pretty pale pink just to kind of make the black and red stand out a little bit more. As you can see here, nothing crazy, just a pretty simple Valentine's Day nail design. Doing this on the other hand could be a little tricky. And throw some polka dots on the other hand. You know what? Be original, be creative. It doesn't even matter. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you would like to see more, please hit that like button and subscribe below.